Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and to my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I clean my husband's gold jewelry. I showed you his collection, in a few videos back, so I thought I would take the opportunity to show you how I clean it. I'm doing something different this time. So I just chose to clean his gold necklace and the wedding band. Alright, so that's what the pieces that I have here, and I have a bit of dishwashing liquid. That's what I'm going to use this time, and I have a bowl. So I'm going to start with some hot water. I'm just going to put some hot water into this bowl here. I'm going to put the dishwashing liquid in here. Give it a little mix. It's still hot, so let me use something else. But give that a little stir. Okay, so I'm just going to put the jewelry into this liquid, soapy liquid. Then I'm going to allow this to, I'll leave that there for like 15 minutes, and I'll come back and clean it. This is the balance of dishwashing liquid that remained in the little bowl. If I didn't mention before, this is I'm using my Pandora brush that came with the kit to actually brush the jewelry after about 15 minutes. Now this is very soft, so you want a soft toothbrush to rub off the excess dirt on the jewelry. So I'll show you how I do that when I come back. Okay, so here's my necklace, male necklace, and my husband's wedding band. After about 50 minutes soaking in this liquid, what I'm going to do now, I am going to just give it a light brush with the toothbrush. You don't want to use a very hard a toothbrush that is not soft, because possibility could still scratch the gold, the jewelry, and you don't really want that. This is a beautiful band. We got this in St. Thomas, US Virgin Islands. Give that a quick rinse. Put that aside. I'll still have to go in and wash off in cold water, so I'm gonna just brush this best that I can. Now you don't have to use a Pandora brush like what I have. If you have like a spare toothbrush at home and it's soft, make sure it's soft, you can use that. Any toothbrush will do. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to rinse this off in some cool water, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, so I'll just basically pat it dry in the towel, or you can just leave it, let it air dry. Let me get a paper towel quickly. So I have a piece of paper towel here that I'll use to allow the jewelry to dry properly. Look how lovely that is looking. Just give you a close-up. That's looking so pretty. show you the ring. Okay folks, that's it for today. So if you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.